How to send silent message on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can send a silent message on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send a silent message on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch an Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna be able to set this type of interface where what you need to do is just come to the DMs page and then select a person that you want to send a message to. So let's say that you want to send them a message but you don't want to notify them. In that case, you can just send a silent message that will not notify them, but whenever they open the Instagram app, only then they'll be able to find it. So over here, just go ahead and basically type in @ and type in silent over here. So you'll see silent option. So type in @, type in silent, and you'll find this. So now you can just go ahead and send them a message, and then they're not going to get notified of this message over here. It's simply going to stay at that. So this way you'll be able to send a silent message on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.